So moving to the home stretch here, we have a couple more questions. These both involve odds. So remember odds where we had favorable outcomes and then we had unfavorable outcomes. So remember favorable outcomes was the ratio of favorable to the unfavorable. Odds against is going to be the unfavorable to the favorable. So notice how they'll switch places there. So let's see what we got here on this first question. So question 17. So we're given a jar that contains yellow, blue, and red marbles, and randomly chooses a single ball, a single looks like a marble to me, so whatever. So balls from the can shown here. Find the odds against the event. So the event is her drawing a red marble. So drawing a red marble, what we have to do is we have to do the favorable, since this is against, we have to do the unfavorable first and the favorable second. So if we look here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 outcomes altogether. What we kind of pick up on out of the 11, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 6 red, which means there's got to be 5 that are other. So what are the odds against? So the favorable outcomes there's going to be 5 against and 6 in favor. So 5 to 6. And again, it does say reduce. So if I look at that as 5 over 6 is a fraction, it's not reducible. So that is in lowest terms, this 5 to 6. So another one of these. So question 20, again, we're given another jar, yellow, blue, and red balls, and randomly chooses a single ball from the can shown here, and then we want to find the odds against the event. So now we're talking about red or yellow. So it looks like we still have 11 balls in here. So red or yellow is what we're looking for. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow and 3 red. So there's 7 that are red or yellow. That means there's got to be what, 4 that are not. So 4 that are not red or yellow. So if I'm looking for the odds against red or yellow in lowest terms, what we're looking for is the unfavorable outcomes to the favorable outcomes. So the unfavorable would be there's 4 blue to then the 7 that are red or yellow. So we have a 4 to 7. And again, if I look at that as a fraction, 4 over 7, it's not going to reduce because 4 and 7 don't have any number that goes into it other than 1. So that is already in lowest terms. So that's the difference between, again, probability and odds. Notice on the denominator of odds, it's not the total outcomes, it's the other side of the set. So the unfavorable to the favorable. So notice how they use a colon here. So ratios, we can use a colon, a fraction, or the word two. And that's what our question uses the word two. But that could also be 4 over 7 or 4 colon 7. So 4 that are against to the 7 that are in our favorable. So notice how there is a little bit difference between favorable and unfavorable, if you will. So that closes out, I believe, our lesson. So best of luck as we move forward into you're moving into your exam time now. Take care.